everybody, this is Zombie Fraud 9612 Anna Jordan. Here's my tadpole. Look at him, that's my baby.
I the one that doing the talkies.
He did. Oh my god, it's not no little bag of Takis, not the little one, not the other size, but the party size. He gonna be having a hot booty. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial, and I want to read off what it's going to be. Okay, so it's going to look like this. This was an idea from a blanket. So this was from Bagel Day blanket idea, and this color here, let me grab the other yarn that looks like it. Okay, so this is from Hobby Lobby, Yarn Bees, excuse me, and it's called Breathe Deep, and then the color is Sage. Okay, and it does have, it's a 4 weight, 216 yards, 100% polyester. Okay, I just want to give a shout out to Bagel Day for her idea. I appreciate it, but it's just a twist from me. And the hook size that is recommended is 4mm or size G. Now, this is going to be a consistency of 9. So you do 9, 9, 9. You know what I'm saying? All the width you want it to be, and then you'll figure out the length that you want. You can stop however long you want it to be, or however wide you want it to be as well. So, being that said, we're gonna start doing this. This is my scarf. So, oh, and the music in the background is by Luke Bryan, and it's called One Margarita. So this is it's a 1 hour, no, 2 hour long. So I just didn't want to switch up music and keep doing that, you know what I'm saying? So let's start on this, okay, y'all? I'm gonna adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is gonna be part 4. Okay, let's make our little stoppage here. You don't need to do a magic ring, I mean, unless you want to, but there's no need to. So we're gonna do increments of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna do 18. Now we're gonna add on 3. 1, 2, and 3. So now that we added on 3, we are going to yarn over and count back 4. So let's count back 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, do you see the V? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to insert your hook in there. So you go ahead, insert it. Now you're gonna make a double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so there's a double crochet. Now let's go on to the next 2. Okay, so the next loop, 1, 2, that's 2 double crochet. Then the last one, yarn over, pull through the loop, 1 and 2, that's 3. So now what we're going to do on that, we're going to go ahead and 1, 2 chains. 2 chains! Just kidding, you guys. Just wanted to be an ass. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to skip 1, 2. Okay? Skip the 2 chains there. Now go on to the third one. Yarn over, go into that third chain. See? Now you have that. So it's a square. Now, let's do 7. So right now there's 1, okay, 2 double crochet, the next loop, 3 double crochet, next one, 4 double crochet, next one, 5 double crochet, next one, 6 double crochet. Okay, hold on, I got a little bit of a hiccup here, you guys. What you think about that? I hope this doesn't fall over because it's windy. Oh boy, this sucks. Look at that. Speed bump. It's like a traffic jam right now. Oh Lord. Alright, so I don't know what happened there, but now it's doing a double knot here. So it's really giving me a pain in the noggin. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me get this knot up out of here. How you thought this is something else? What happens when you think too hard, huh? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get it on through there. And one more again. Yeah! Broke free from the chain. Alright, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need one more. Let's go through that one. Okay, that's 7. Now let's go ahead and do this last of it. Let's do 1, 2 chain, 2 chains. All right, let's go down here. 1 and 2. Make sure you count 2 chains, and you go to the 3rd one. Yarn over, go to the 3rd. Now double crochet on that one. Let's keep going to the end. Okay. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. Hold up. I think it was supposed to be 5 if I'm not mistaken. We'll just make it a 5, okay? So 5. It's a tight little doodad there. All right, you guys. So now look how beautiful it looks. See that? Now we got 2. Hey! Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do 2 chains. Now you just flip your work over. Now let's yarn over. Don't go into this one. You see this? That beautiful thing there. Go to the next one. Alright, right in here. Let's see, let me poke on through there. Right in there, okay? So if you have to, you just try to spread it open just a little bit. Okay? Right there. Alright, you got it? Okay, I hope so. So now, yarn over. Oops. No, that's wrong. What am I talking about? It's the next one. Yeah, right there, that one. Or am I what's wrong with me? I'm loony, right? Nah, couldn't be. All right, right there. Not this one. My bad, y'all. Okay, let's get back onto the lesson. So you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2. Now you got your double crochet. Now, let's keep going. That's 2. No, that's 1. This is 2. Okay, go to the next stitch. Okay, there's 3. The next stitch, 4. Alright, now let's go into this square here where it doesn't have any double crochet. We are going to insert double crochets in that bad boy, okay? So we're going to put 2 of them. So that's 1, and here's 2. Now, I scared myself. Oops. Good gracious. I'm too fat to bend over, y'all. Shoot. Alright, so now, let's get on back. Let me pull some of this string off because you can tell I did it already once. Okay, so now that we did the 2, let's chain 2. 1 and 2. See how I did the chain? Now let's go down here. See this one here? I'm gonna count that 1. Here's the second one, 2. So excuse me, go to the third chain, yarn over, go right onto that third chain. All right, so you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2. Now we have that other square. You see how it's building up like a diagonal pattern there? All right, now let's go on to the next one. So let's keep going till we get to this spot. So double crochet at each of those. So we already have 1. All right, here's 2. All right, 3. Okay, the next one 4. Come on, people, we got this, right? 5. The next one. Now we're going to insert 2 into this empty one. Okay, so another double crochet. See, that's 1, and here's 2. So that's going to be a total of 7 in that one. Okay, so from here to here is going to be 7 if you're following with me. But if you're not, it's okay. We'll work with it. Okay, we just keep doing. As long as you can build this block, this diagonal block, you'll be just fine. Just build that block up. Okay, it's going diagonally. So now we are going to go ahead, chain 2, 1 and 2. So I did the 2 chains. Now 2 chains. It's getting old now. Just kidding, guys. 1 and 2. So look here, that's 1 and there's 2. Now go to the third one. So make sure you yarn over. All right, and you go ahead and you do the double crochet on that one. Now here we are, we're at the end. So let's yarn over, find that little spot there, pull it up a little bit if you can, pull it up to where you can see there is a little spot right there. Just fit it on in there and go ahead and do that double crochet on that one. That'll be the end of the border on that one. This is just a row repeat, and you got to know where to put the blocks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Let me just let me pull this up and tie it off so I can show you a little bit better. All right, so now since we've done that, okay, we are going to now see how it's going from, maybe I can show you on this paper. So when I do that, okay, so this is going to be a lot better. All right, so we are going to, as we build up, we're going upwards, but we're going diagonally. So right here, you're going to fill this up with 2 double crochets, and then right here, right in this hole, you're going to put a double crochet. No, I'm sorry. You're going to skip after you put 2 here. You're going to chain 2, okay, and then you're going to 1, 2, and then the third one over, you're going to add a double crochet to that one. So do you understand what I'm saying? If not, just rewind the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. So it's just like this one, okay? I'll do it. Let me do it upside down for you. Okay, so let's say, for instance, we come from this way all the way here. So we're going to add in 2 double crochets and then chain 2. So what we're going to find is we're going to skip, and go to the third one here and do a double crochet there, and then the fourth one double crochet, and then the fifth one double crochet, and then you go ahead and you do your little chain, your 1 chain on there, and then what you're going to do is continue. So as you get to that block, you make sure you leave 2 open, and then you go to the bottom and then you do another 2, okay? And that's all you have to do on that part. I don't know what the hell this is. Somebody done switched my stuff. And I think my little tadpole went and switched it. Yes. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me that big thumbs up. Don't you love me, you guys? Hey! See y'all soon. Bye now.